Hi everyone, today we are going to dive into the fascinating world of UX, UI, CX and BX using our favorite example, chocolate. UI, user interface. It is all about the visuals, the colors, typography, font that is used and interactive elements in the product. In our example, the wrapper is the user interface. UI focuses on the elements that makes the product more appealing. Color is the most influential element of UI. The psychology behind using red color in this chocolate is because it has the highest wavelength, so kids get easily attracted to it. UX, user experience. It is all about how the user feels when interacting with the product. Imagine you just bought this chocolate bar. A good UX would mean the packaging is easy to open, the chocolate smells delicious and it melts perfectly in your mouth. Now let's talk about BX, brand experience. It's not only just the chocolate itself gives you a brand experience, but the advertisements you see, their social media presence and even the package design. Brand experience is all about how the brand makes you feel and your overall perception of it. Finally, we have CX, customer experience. It is the overall experience the customer has with the company. A great customer experience is the entire journey from buying the chocolate, unwrapping it and eating it is smooth and enjoyable. It's about creating positive feelings and satisfaction at every touch point. So to sum it up, user experience is the overall experience of eating a chocolate, user interface is the design of the wrapper, brand experience is how you think about the chocolate's brand, and customer experience is the entire journey as a customer. And next time when you enjoy a chocolate, think about all the experiences wrapped up in that. See you.